The INFINITI QX60's InTouch system can be reset in two main ways: a soft reboot and a factory reset. A soft reboot, or quick reset, restarts the system without erasing your data. This is ideal for fixing minor glitches like app freezes. To perform a soft reboot, either hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds or navigate through the settings menu and select Restart System. A factory reset, or hard reset, erases all user data and settings, returning the system to its original state. Use this for persistent issues, but remember to back up important data first. Access this option through the Settings menu under System, Reset, Factory Reset options. Note that a factory reset may not clear system firmware. A dealer reset will use diagnostic tools, such as Nissan Consult, to perform a full system wipe or firmware reinstall and is crucial if the touchscreen is unresponsive. If your QX60 InTouch system is not working, start with a soft reboot. If the problem persists, proceed to a factory reset, but be aware that this will erase your personal settings. Ensure your vehicle is in park with the engine running during any reset to avoid power interruptions. For issues like a completely unresponsive touchscreen or recurring problems after resets, seek professional help from an INFINITI dealer. They can perform more advanced diagnostics and firmware updates. Also, consider disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes to clear the cache for electrical faults. Remember, frequent factory resets might void your warranty, so consult a certified dealer for persistent problems to avoid complications.